Greetings everyone, welcome back. Joseph James, schooloftrade.com, and in today's video we're talking more about our favorite futures markets we trade every day in our live trader room. We're talking about the Aussie dollar futures, right? The good old Aussie. Now guys, remember, if you're watching this video somewhere else besides our blog right now, don't forget there's a link below the video, or head over to sidewaysmarkets.com for more information about how we trade with the Aussie dollar futures. Now let's talk more about it here, guys. The symbol is the 6A. And this is actually incorrect. It's on the CME group. So the symbol is the 6A as in the number 6 and then A as in Aussie dollar. It's going to trade the CME group. It's a member of the currency futures, right, off the CME group. It's going to tick at 0.0001 per tick. The cost per tick is $10 per tick, and it's going to require about $500 USD per contract. So a very low margin, all right, and of course trade 4 lots. You'll only need 2,000 USD. So you don't need a big contract, guys. You don't need a lot of money in your account to trade the Aussie dollar. Now, some of the benefits. Okay, great moves. The Aussie dollar, guys, you'll see, open up a 6A chart, amazing moves with not too much volume. Okay, so it's not going to get bogged down by lots and lots of volume like the S&P would, right, or like the Euro stocks or the notes or the bonds would. Okay, so a little bit less volume. It's a lot like the crude market. The crude oil market is a great example of a market that has good volatility and a little bit of volume to help us out, right? We don't want too much volume or too much volatility. We want kind of a good balance there. Okay, so the Aussie dollar is a perfect fit for that. Not too much volume, lots of volatility, and what really makes the Aussie dollar a great part of your trading experience is that if you live in the United States or you live in the kind of Eastern time zone, these are overnight trades. Okay, so as you can imagine, even though the Aussie here is traded on the CME group in Chicago, USA, you're going to see lots of people down under, right, using this contract as a hedging tool. So when we're going to bed here in the US, right, all of our friends in Australia are waking up, and so it can become a very good overnight trading session. Now the drawbacks is that when you come into the market the next morning, right, the Aussie, they're going to bed. So it might slow down usually here during the US session open. Okay, so what makes the Aussie so great for us here if you live in the US or Canada or South America or even in Europe, okay, is that it's going to give you some great moves and it's going to be late in the day. So maybe you work a day job, or maybe you got to take care of the grandkids in the morning, right? Or maybe you've got soccer practice in the morning, whatever it is, and you can't trade the US morning session. The Aussie dollar is a perfect fit for anybody who can trade overnight. And of course, guys, we talk about this all the time on our blog. Guys, the link below the video will take you guys right to the blog. The blog, we post nightly trades on our blog on the Aussie dollar futures contract every day, so make sure you guys follow our blog for that. But again, the same benefit here is the same drawback. Because it's kind of the opposite trading session, when we're trading gold and crude and the euro, okay, the Aussie tends to be a little bit quiet. So it's kind of an opposite. We like to use the Aussie as a way of supplementing, right, times to be trading. Now the best time to trade the Aussie, early morning, 3 a.m. Eastern time. Now I live in Los Angeles, so 3 a.m. Eastern time is about midnight Pacific time, which means, again, overnight here in the US. My favorite pattern is the euro correlation. I use a 21 range chart at the high of day or the low of day, and I'm selling the highs in the Aussie, I'm buying the lows in the Aussie. All right, so again, I'm going to watch the euro correlation, okay, watch with the dollar, and then look for that 21 range chart. I'm going to be taking reversals and continuation patterns on that 21 range chart. And remember, most of these will be happening overnight or early morning Eastern Standard Time. And my favorite time frames for the Aussie dollar are the 13 range for day trading, 21 and 34 range for swing trading and position trading. And don't forget, I can also use a 30-minute chart and a 60-minute chart for any of my swing trades as well. All right, guys, one of our favorite markets, again, it trades in the CME group. That's incorrect. Symbol 6A, $10 per tick. Fantastic balance of volatility and volume. It's an overnight trading market that makes it a good fit for a lot of traders. And guys, as always, if you want more information on the Aussie dollar, just simply come out and join us in our live trade room tomorrow morning at 7:45, or click the link below the video. Below the video right now is a link that will take you right to the Aussie dollar page on the CME Group website, and you can find all the information directly from the website itself. All right, guys, so click that link below the video. for more information on contract specifications for the Aussie dollar futures. As always, my name is Joseph James. We'll see you guys tomorrow more live trade room. We'll be trading that Aussie dollar for you guys, and we'll see you guys then. Hope the video helps. Bye-bye for now.